Hello, welcome back to Traffic Table channel. Today I'm gonna show you 7 hidden settings on Redbubble which are gonna increase your profit. Are you ready? Let's get started. So first of all, the first one we will go to manage portfolio. So from the icon, from your logo icon to manage portfolio. And what I want to show you here, maybe you don't know at all, which is called quick edit. Okay, so if we press quick edit here, you can literally edit your title and edit your tags in a very quick way. And if you have like 50 or 100 or 1000 design, it's very easy to just edit your title and tags from here. Before it wasn't like that. Before it was you have to go on every design, on every design you have, and just edit setting, and it's gonna take a lot of time. But here you can just go for here, edit settings, and when you finish just press quick settings, and then that's it. So edit settings, make your settings, change whatever you want. You can change this, you can change whatever you want, and then press save, and then quick edit settings, and that's it. It's very easy. You can edit your title and your tags very easy than before. And let's go for the second one. The second one is enabling secret product. When you upload your product, guys, okay, and when you go for your products like here and press edit, and when you edit your product, you can find here your products. Maybe sometimes there are not all of your product are enabled. So the secret here is to enable all products so you can have more profit. Okay, so for example here you can find it's 9 from 12 only. So there are still 3 products not enabling. Here 3 from 3, here 1 from 1, okay, here 0 from 1. So don't forget always to make enable and enable all of them. And here, for example, if I want to enable the other 3, you can go for edit and then go for this right sign and then press here, press here, press here. You can also adjust the markup price, so you can do whatever you want. But if you want to enable, so enable all of this and then make apply change, and you can see here it's 12 from 12 enabled. So that's really effective and it's really amazing. So you can go and do for that for all the product, guys. This is important. So the third one, which is bubble mail. So what is bubble mail? Bubble mail is just like a messenger, or like, you know, like an inbox for Redbubble. You can contact your buyers, and also you can contact another people from Redbubble. So sometimes people come to me and say, can you please favorite my design, like favorite this design, favorite my shop, something like that. And you can also get a lot of favorite back from this. And maybe if you like an artist and you want to speak to him and you want to know something about him, you can just send him a message through bubble mail. So where can I find bubble mail? So where you can find the bubble mail, it's very easy. You can just come here on the dashboard. So you press anywhere here, and you go on your dashboard. And when you go to your dashboard, you go to account setting and then edit profile. And when you edit your profile, you will go down, skip the logo, skip the cover image. Here we go. And you have to allow users to send me bubble mail. Okay, so here you make it like that and check it. So people can send you a bubble mail. So it's like a messenger inside Redbubble. And if you want to see the mail, how it looks like, you will go here, okay, and then you will go for bubble mail and you will open it. And then here you don't have any bubble yet because it's just, you know, a demo account. But maybe you will have some bubble mail. Maybe you can send for your buyers or your your customers, or your maybe another people on Redbubble who are designers too, like a message or something. That's also a hidden setting which a lot of people don't know. Let's go for the fourth one, guys, which is one of the most important one, which is collection. Here I was searching about Redbubble account, and as you can see, this account is very nice, very professional. And what you can notice here, that the shop started from here, but here on the top area you can find collection, and also they have something called feature collection. So the collection is like to be more organized, to make your store more organized, and to let the customer know that you have, for example, a pattern, reptiles and dragons, and maybe pets, cats, dogs. So you have different area, so your customers can go and you can discover more designs. And in the feature collection, you will put the collections that normally sell the most. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in simple step how to make this collection and how to make a feature collection. So first of all, we can go to our manage portfolio, okay, from here, and then we will press manage portfolio, and then we will be in this area, and then we will write work, not collection. We will not go for the collection one, we will just go for works. Okay, and when we go for works like here, we will check our designs, and then when you check that, you will notice that there's a collection box right here. You will press collection, and then you can just for example rename your collection, maybe shark, because I have a shark design, or maybe a pet or something, and then you can press plus, and then after that you can like check all of other designs, and what you have to do here is just to make add. Okay, that's very easy, guys, to make a collection. And if you want to know how to make a feature collection after you do a collection, it's also easy. It's not that hard. After you did your collection, you will see your collection here in the collection section, and then you can choose it, and then you can make a feature collection. It's very easy. Okay, guys, the next feature I'm gonna show you, which is very important, guys, which is message to buyer. You know that you can send your buyer with your t-shirt or with your design a message, like Redbubble can send them a paper, like written a message from you with your design, and it's very awesome because you can build, you know, a connection between you and your customer, so they can come again and buy from you, and that's very amazing. You can just write something like, you have only 160 characters, you can just write like thank you, wish you a nice day, or thank you for purchasing our products, wish you a nice day, or wish you're gonna discover more of our products in the future, something like that, something very cute, very short, very clean. So it makes you like build a new, like some of connections between you and your customers, and for every customer who's gonna buy from you, something like that, so you're gonna receive this message. So send message to your buyers. If you love your buyers, let them know, enter a message below, and we will put into a customer order receipt every time you sell. And that's very amazing, guys. So the fifth one, which I'm gonna show you now, which is protect your work. So how can you protect your work on Redbubble from the copycats? So from here, from the dashboard, you can go for protect your work, and you can see it's new. And if you can go here, you can add a watermark, maybe like a small watermark, a large watermark, or a titled watermark. You can choose whatever you want. And also you can, for the download protection, to discourage people from right clicking or saving your image by placing transparent image over it. So you can also press that, and then you can make save, and you're gonna save your protection settings for your image, and that's very important from the copycats. Okay, so the final one, which is which is pricing your product. So how can I price your product? You know, you can price your product internally for every design, or you can pricing for all the general shop. So what if you have like 1,000, 1,500, and you don't want to go for every design, you know, and edit? So it's gonna save a lot of time if you make only one pricing for all your products. So what I mean from that, you can go for product pricing here, and you can adjust pricing for all the shop you have. So for example, you have t-shirts, I made it 30%. Classic t-shirts, you can make it like 25, whatever you want. Okay, guys, and you can go down, and don't forget the stickers. Always try to make it 100%, because normally it's 20% and it's nothing, it's 40 cents. So make it like 90, 80, 100%. So it's gonna be starting from $2 profit. That's pretty awesome. And do that, guys, for all the Redbubble stickers, because stickers are very popular on Redbubble. And once you finish, and once you are happy, you just go down and press here, apply these markups to all my existing work, and then save new default product, and then okay. And Redbubble will gonna save for you your settings for pricing, and you can see your price setting have been saved and applied to all of your work, and that's pretty awesome, guys. It's gonna save you a lot of time. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos, and please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and make any comment you want below in the comment section. If you want, I will answer any question you have. I wish you enjoyed my video, and please subscribe and wait for my next video. Thank you so much for listening, and see you in another video. Bye bye.